Today, let's learn about the English alphabet. Are you ready? Let's dive in.
A is for apple. Apple. B is for basketball. Basketball. C is for cat. Cat. D is for donut. Donut. E is for elephant. Elephant. F is for frog. Frog. G is for guitar. Guitar. H is for house. House. I is for iguana. Iguana. J is for jaguar. Jaguar. K is for koala. Koala. L is for leaf. Leaf. M is for moon. Moon. N is for newspaper. Newspaper. O is for ostrich. Ostrich. P is for pumpkin. Pumpkin. Q is for quail. Quail. R is for rose. Rose. S is for seal. Seal. T is for tomato. Tomato. U is for umbrella. Umbrella. V is for vase. Vase. W is for watermelon. Watermelon. X is for xylophone. Xylophone. Y is for yarn. Yarn. Z is for zebra. Zebra. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.